This isn't some type of clickbait. This is legit 100% true story, bro. I just recently sold all of my Dividend stocks. And boy, oh boy, as you can probably already imagine, it was not an easy decision at all. I'm going to show you guys why I sold them, when I'm planning to buy into Dividend stocks again, and what I'm doing now in the meantime to replace that dividend income. Which I must admit, I had some pretty juicy dividends coming in every month or so. Hopefully this move doesn't bite me in the butt. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and for those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Johan Lorenzo and I just YOLO'd my entire account.
You only live once, bro.
Before we get started, I would greatly appreciate it if you gave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So where were we? Yeah, I just YOLO'd my account basically. Maybe I'll end up being the next degenerate to blow up his account live on Reddit. But all jokes aside, the main reason why I sold all of my Dividend stocks is because I am building a house, okay? Here's a quick video I took a couple of weeks ago so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Seeing this house come together is very exciting and nerve-wracking all at the same time. Even though perfection doesn't really exist, I mean, some of us like to have things as perfect as possible, especially when it costs you a shiny penny or two. So with that said, let's talk some numbers in regards to the house. The purchase price of the property is $728,399. I'm putting down 20% of the property value because why have a PMI when you can afford not to? In addition to that, interest rates are still pretty nice right now and pretty low at the moment. So why put down any more than 20% when I could just use the bank's money instead?
Take it easy there, Dave Ramsey. I know what you're thinking.
It's so cheap right now to borrow money. It's basically free. So putting down a bigger down payment under these current circumstances would just be dumb. I'm better off using that money to invest or trade in the market. I'll be making more money with it that way. All right, Dave Ramsey?
Sound fair enough?
The total square footage of the house is just under 4,200 square feet, and the lot is a little over a quarter acre. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. It also has a nice little office that I will be turning into my new YouTube studio. And it has a 3-car garage. So all in all, I'm pretty stoked about it. So the $1 million question, all right? Why did I sell my shares aside from building a house? As you can already imagine, inflation is here, and it looks like it's here to stay for a while, and it will not be going anywhere anytime soon. And did I mention it's also through the freaking roof? Like seriously, what did they think was gonna happen when 40% of the US dollars in existence were printed in the last 12 months? And on top of that, you add the fact that Big Daddy Jerome Powell just said the Fed, aka the Federal Reserve Bank, will be hiking up interest rates within the first couple of months of the new year. I just have a gut feeling that something is brewing, and that bubble that everyone seemed to be talking about throughout 2021 might actually pop. Or maybe deflate itself a little to some extent. So I'm gonna take my chances here, and I'm gonna trade options over the next 2 months on both of my public accounts. This way I can make up some of that money I put down for my property. And the main reason for this is because I wouldn't dare to touch any of my long-term brokerage accounts. I've got to have some sort of safety net for when I get older, right? That's just a must. So the truth is, my 2 public brokerage accounts that I use on my YouTube channel are gonna bear the weight of this house. I've already cashed out a good amount of money from my Webull account to cover the initial 5% deposit to start building. This was a few months ago. And I plan to cash out about another $100,000 or so once we get closer to the closing date on the property. The next big question, when am I going to buy back into dividend stocks? I'm thinking once the first interest rate hike happens, probably around that time, I'm probably going to start dollar cost averaging into a few positions again. I would say maybe sometime around March or April. In the meantime, I'm going to keep day trading and selling options to supplement the dividend income that I no longer have. The main stocks I will be doing this with are AMD and Tesla. I will make future videos and give you guys a full update of both accounts. Trading options on AMD and Tesla will be something that's pretty risky, right? To say the least. But then again, I'd rather have my future in my own hands and trade my way through the next few months, which are probably going to be pretty volatile, like the last couple weeks have been. I just rather do that than sit there and take a beating with stock prices going down. At the end of the day, I like to be transparent with you guys and give you guys my point of view. That's the point of this channel, right? Sometimes you have to make decisions that you didn't plan on making and you didn't plan on doing. You just have to keep rolling with the punches and keep moving forward. I think this property is going to be a great future investment for me and my family, and I don't feel bad about selling my shares one bit for this. It's going from one investment into another. And that is one of the only reasons why I'm able to sleep well at night after making this decision on selling these shares. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!